Okay, so as you can see, I've got a perfectly functional order form here with improved look and feel. But, you know, Spiffy has some pretty impressive functionality, and there's some small changes you can make that could have a big impact. So I want to quickly update a couple of things. I'm going to add a favicon, which is what displays in the tab when you have that page open. I'm also going to add the URL for my terms and conditions in the footer of the order form. That's this section right down here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some testimonials to this page as well. So let's go ahead and do those. And if you are a Spiffy user, you might already know all of this. But if you are not a Spiffy user, I just want to show you how easy it is to use this. Okay, so here is the spot for the terms and disclaimers URL. Let's paste in my URL there. A little bit down here, there's a couple more settings. Turn off PayPal, turn on quantity input. I don't need a terms and conditions checkbox because I have actually added 3 checkboxes using the GDPR snippet, so I don't need that. Down here, I do need a favicon, so let's go ahead and select one. And I've already got that created because I use it on my website, so this is something that Infusionsoft's native order forms don't even have, but now I can quickly and easily let it display my favicon when that page has loaded. Let's go ahead and add an element down here, and obviously they've got a library of different elements we can add. What we are looking for is a testimonial. So let's do something like this. We'll just pop that bad boy in there. You can see it's got 2 placeholders. What people say about us. I'm going to change the background color of this section to be maybe brown. 61534. There's my brown. And then I wonder if I have, the text settings for this section. So see if we can easily update that. There we go. Change color of text. Here we go. FFF. There it is. So apply. And same sort of thing. I need to update the text here to my color. F9, F6, F0, apply, and then same thing over here, F9, F6, F0, apply. Okay, so I just want to swap these images out for 2 customer testimonials. First one is going to be my good friend over at Blick Digital, Brett Farr. So we go add him. There's Brett's good-looking face, and let's get... The next one will be Maritza Para, a friend and customer of mine as well. And there's Maritza. So let's update Maritza Para. And over here we'll have Brett Farr. And then I, just to make things easier, I have their testimonials stored on a little swipe file here. So let's go ahead and paste it in. And I can add quotations at the beginning and end of it, because that's how you know it's a quote, I guess. And then we'll add Maritza here as well. She said some very nice things. Actually, they both said some very nice things. But just like that, that's it. What people say about us. I've got the 2 testimonials. I could add, you know, their businesses, right? Blick Digital. I don't know that I want links to their businesses because this is my order form, so I don't necessarily want to take people away. But if you do want links, right, you can happy entrepreneur, and he would be the founder, Blick Digital. If you do want links, you have the choice of sending it to an external URL rather than having it open over that page. So that's up to you. What people say about us, that's it. So let's go ahead and republish this. And of course, once you have done that, form has been published, you don't need to update your order forms. You don't need to change any of the code. When you refresh the page, it automatically loads the new section that we've added. So what people say about us, there are my 2 testimonials. You can also see that my favicon is loading successfully in the page there. So again, just a couple of quick tweaks, and I'm already making incremental improvements to my order form that would have taken me ages to figure out how to do using the previous order form interface here. So I'm stoked, guys. Like I said, I endorse and use Spiffy not just because they're my homies, but because you see it. It's that simple, and it creates order forms that you can be proud of. So if you haven't yet, check it out.